Hey, what's up? So today we are unboxing the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I live here in India and my phone, which is an iPhone 12 Pro Max currently, I've been using it for like two years now because I had this in like early last year. And before then, I had a 12 Pro that was working perfectly fine. And then my sister wanted to change her phone, and then I collected her 12 Pro Max. Now, when I was back home in Nigeria, it was working perfectly fine. And then I landed in Mumbai here in India, and then all of a sudden, it started having network issues. Like literally, you try to find mobile data, it won't come on. So except like you're on Wi-Fi, it works fine. And then sometimes the mobile data works. So it's like a guesswork. Today you're going out, you're like, will it work, will it not work? I've been struggling with that for like over a year now, which was when I started using the phone and stuff like that. So I decided I had to get a new phone because it was not feasible for me if I had to travel. Like if I had to, like I stay in Jaipur currently, right? If I had to go to Delhi, sometimes I go to Delhi and there's absolutely no network. So imagine you're in a new city you don't have any idea of where the buses are. Maybe you want to book an Uber and then you have no network. So you have to start asking people, can you please turn on your hotspot for me? It's such an annoying position to be in. And one time I went to Delhi, I couldn't even check my direction on the metro because I had to use my phone and then my phone had no internet. So because of that, I had to change my phone. And I'm someone that believes that if you have a phone, just use it till the wheels fall off because it doesn't make sense changing your phone every year. It's just I think it's wasteful kind of for me. And if not, okay, so the reason I even changed from 12 Pro to the Pro Max was because I started making vlogs and uh, you know, I edit the videos on my phone. And so if I have that, I can easily, the 12 Pro Max has a wider screen and everything. So it's easier to edit the videos on my phone compared to when I was using the 12 Pro. So I made up my mind to change my phone. And then at the time I made up my mind to change my phone, that was already like December. And I was like, you know what? If I can just manage myself till the next iPhone comes out, because uh, like in Nigeria, iPhones have like a really good resale value. So if you're able to get like the latest phone when it comes out, that means it gives you more time. For example, if I change to like a 13 Pro Max right now, if I was going to resell that phone, I won't sell it for much. But now that I have a 16 Pro Max, in the next 3-4 years, if I'm willing to sell that phone, I will still have, at least it will still have some good value, and then I can still sell it for good profit. I don't think profit, but at least, because what I do is I get a new phone and I sell the old one. That way I recover some of the money I spent like getting the new phone, and that's basically it. So when I was going to get this phone, the person I asked to help me to purchase it was like, what color do you want? And I was like, what surprised me? So this is the phone here. It's an iPhone 16 Pro Max. I don't know how clear that is. And if you can see, it says Desert Titanium here and 256 gig, because the 16 Pro Max starts from 256 gig. So let's get ready to unbox this and see. I'm actually very excited. I know I seem really chill actually, but I'm super super excited to change my phone because it's so annoying. Like I have to maybe go to the mall or something, and I'm hoping that please let my internet work today. Like I'm in 2024, I need internet because okay, like I have a scooter, right, and I drive my scooter everywhere. So I'm using like Google Maps on my scooter a lot of the times. So imagine going somewhere without internet. Okay, I have the city map downloaded, so that still helps. But at least when your internet is working with your Google Maps, it kind of gives you the update on the traffic situation and stuff. But imagine you have no internet to do anything. So I'm really excited to have this right now. So yeah, this is like the newest gadget I've had in a few years now. So let's unbox this. iPhone, and at the end of it, how do you open this? Voila, voila, voila. Okay. Oh, oh. We have to be careful because these are people who just. Oh, nice. It's like, why am I acting like a bush girl like this? this, and then the charger. Okay. So it has a USB-C cable, as you can see, on both sides. Okay, back to the iPhone. Oh, mashallah. Wow. So this has no SIM card slot because it's the US one. So it's going to be, what's it called? eSIM only. So to start the phone. I think this one they press or yeah, it's on. Matching. Hello. Laptop open. English. India. Okay, thank you very much. And I'll be setting up, the phone now. So thank you very, very much for sticking with me to this point. So my new videos, I'll be shooting them with this because, we have this now. So if you're not subscribed, do subscribe to see, the videos that we get to do from this. And I want to try to shoot a short film on this. That's something I hope to do. And also, I will be checking the phone out and trying to see what difference it has with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I'll just try to keep you guys updated with that. So thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, like, comment, and Parange. Thank you.